So I did successfully knock my ball onto the green from 90 yards. So now the next step is to just make sure that we're replacing our ball marks. And in the golf shop at Blue Hill, we have complimentary Blue Hill divot repair tools. So I'm going to use that, stick it in the ground right around my ball mark, and go in a circle, lifting the grass up around my ball mark. And then I'm going to tap it down with a putter ideally, but I don't have a putter, so I'm going to use my wedge just like that. And that's how to replace a ball mark.